Hi everyone, and welcome back to Roy's Maximising Value tip. Today we're diving into an often overlooked element of home styling, lighting. Good lighting doesn't just brighten a space, it transforms the atmosphere and the emotional experience for buyers. With the right lighting, your home can feel bigger, warmer, and more sophisticated. Zillow says that homes with good lighting get up to 30% more clicks online than darker ones. Plus, 68% of open home visitors say they feel more positively about homes with good lighting. And here's another stat: 70% of buyers consider lighting one of the top influencing factors in their purchasing decision. Now, let's look at some practical and effective tips to help your home shine. Tip 1. Maximise natural light. Use light-coloured curtains and keep window areas clear. If possible, schedule viewings during the brightest time of the day. Tip 2. Layer your lighting. Ceiling lights alone aren't enough. Add floor lamps, table lamps, and wall lights to create depth and warmth. Tip 3. Choose the right bulb temperature. Harsh white light can feel clinical, while overly yellow light can look dull. A warm white bulb in the 3000 to 3500 Kelvin range is ideal for most living spaces. One seller simply replaced the bulbs in their kitchen and living area and saw double the interest at their next open home. That one change completely shifted the feel of the house. Lighting isn't just decoration, it's a strategy to increase your home's appeal and value. Remember, a well-lit home is a memorable home. If you found today's tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time on Royce's Maximising Value tip.